Hello, in this video I go exposition about of coats of arms. Uh, so we see uh, we see a shield color red. In the center we see lion symbol. Lion is big, is great lion, and in the center and we see the banner. The banner see here my roar. Okay, and above of shield we see helmet color red. Yeah, have the shield have uh, two dragons, and one of at the left, and second in the right. Uh, this shield represent the Game of Thrones. And one more, and I'm finished. Um, the the shield is cool and finished.